welcome to my channel. I'm a part-time artist and love using my God-given talents and creative ideas to bring joy to others through my crafts. My artistic journey includes creating many paintings in different styles. Additionally, I've also had the pleasure of working on exciting art commissions and enjoy a variety of crafts. At present, I focus on box art, turning simple cardboard into elegant and functional pieces. I will be using these creations as photos for specific elements of a craft book I'm working on. Please join me as I create meaningful items that resonate with purpose.